good morning. My name is Alice Dewitt, and today is our 32nd day of the Laughter Club. Thank you so much for joining me today. And today is a Friday. Yes! This morning, I'd like you to support Terry in Circles and check her last video. It's Keep On Keeping On. It's a poem that she wrote, and it is so beautiful. My goodness, you see, it is it's very touching and so true. Uh, I think she put all together. When we go through a struggling in life, everything that we think and we feel, somehow she put in that poem. It is very very nice. I recommend and suggest you to check it out. Terry in Circles, and the video name is Keep On Keeping On. The other one is Common Sense with Elizabeth. She is so sweet. I like her very much. Her videos are they are short, and they are all about good deals and good recipes, easy recipes, or review of products. And she is now at the hospital, and so just go there and give her some support. She's very very nice lady. Okay, and another thing that I would talk before our session today is about meditation. I started doing that last year. To be honest, I heard about the goodness, the good things about meditation years ago, almost 30 years ago. So it was that you can just rebalance your body and the energy of your body, and so everything can flow better, and you got a better health and everything else. So I think that if you didn't you don't have that in your routine, it is a very nice thing to do. You can start 5 minutes in the morning, and or 5 minutes at the end of your day. And how to do meditation is just sit in a quiet place where you are not gonna be disturbed, and listen to a song. Listening to some song is easier, and then you can just repeat yourself, because the thing that I struggle in the beginning, and I never was able to do that, is that I was told you have to keep your mind empty, and that was the first thing. I could never do that. I still can't put my mind but the more you do, the better you get into that, because that's the real meditation thing. But you can start, and then start at least rebalancing the energy of your body. And so you can start. I read a book of Elizabeth Gilbert. She talks about eat, pray, and love. When you do meditation, you just see a smile in your heart. Just that will help you a lot. So just close your eyes and keep thanking God, thanking, being grateful, and see a smile coming up from your heart, and being how to say it, getting distributed and around you. If you do that 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes after at the night, beautiful things will start happening. I am pretty sure of it. All right, so let's start with our session today. Hi. Okay, I will start now because otherwise I will start coughing. I'm sorry. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please hit the button below. There is a bell. Hit the all notifications and you will be the first one to be notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope you all have a beautiful, awesome Friday full of blessings. And I will see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye